It's raining. Woo, 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 woo. You know what that means. No watering today. Hey, stop that. Hey, stop that. Ooh, I got a bunch of little kangaroos in my papoose. You're bound to get snuffed out. Ain't no future in your frontin'. You know you little motherfuckers all want something. You're bound to get snuffed out for frontin'. I said you're bound to get snuffed out for frontin'. All you little motherfuckers always coming up to me wanting something. And then when I go running, Robin running and chucking all that shit up like you don't like me. Cause I had to go and get that money, Bree. Be easy, just chill. You're bound to get called out for your frontin'. Little motherfuckers think you're so damn tough, but you ain't nothing. Ain't no future in your frontin'. All you little motherfuckers want something. All you little motherfuckers all want something. You motherfuckers be frontin'. You trying to get me on my tummy. Scratching on my tummy. Scratching up my tummy. You little motherfuckers are bummy. Hella poopy. I got hella poop in my shirt. Cause all these little motherfuckers all wanna hurt my feelings and poop on my nice clothing. All you little motherfuckers wanna do some shit. I don't think you know what's gonna get it. All you little motherfuckers, all you think you want something. You're frontin'. All you little motherfuckers is frontin'. Cause you don't want nothing. You don't want no beef. All you little motherfuckers ain't got no teeth. You got two beaks. A bottom and a top. Motherfuck you, I'm the top. Came up from the bottom. If you asked about me, yeah, you know I shot him. And yeah, you know I got him out the motherfucking park. Hit it after dark. You couldn't even see the ball. It went so fast, y'all. Just like me when I'm running from cops in my car. Woo, woo. I go real far. I go real hard on these motherfucking chicklets. You bound to get snuffed out. Ain't no future when you're frontin'. All you little motherfucking chicks want something. Squawk, squawk, squeak. Tucking in my fucking ear all damn week. About how weak my game is. Bitch, you lame. I may not be your main, but bitch, you may not be my side either. I don't think you know about a piece that's neither my side nor my main. Bitch, you came a little bit late. You need to get great, and you're not. I'm sorry. I ought to be fucking with another bitch, not you. All these little motherfucking chicklets do. Do what they want and not what I want. Motherfucking chicks all want the same damn thing. A little worm so they can bring all their fears to rest. Fears about no worms in their chest. You're bound to get called up for your frontin'. Yeah, I'm talking to you, little muffin. You bound to get called out for your frontin', and you bound to get called out for your frontin', and you bound to get called out for your frontin', and you too. Yeah, there's one in there bound to get called out for her frontin' too. What are you? I just think you're chilling? Okay. Alright.